To get started with the Afterpay Sandbox, you need to create a merchant account on the Afterpay website. This will give you access to the Afterpay dashboard where you can manage your account and access the Sandbox environment. Once you have created your account, navigate to the developer section of the dashboard where you will find the Sandbox option. Click on this to activate your Sandbox account and generate your API keys. The Sandbox environment is a replica of the live Afterpay environment and allows you to test your integration without incurring any real costs or affecting live customers. To start testing, you will need to configure your e-commerce platform to use the Afterpay Sandbox API keys. This will involve updating your payment gateway settings to point to the Afterpay Sandbox URL. You can then begin testing the Afterpay payment flow by creating test orders and processing payments through the Sandbox environment. It is essential to thoroughly test your integration in the Sandbox environment before moving to production to ensure a seamless customer experience. Best practices for testing in the Sandbox environment include testing multiple payment scenarios and edge cases to ensure your integration can handle different situations. You should also test your integration with different customer and order data to ensure it can handle various inputs and scenarios. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a successful integration with Afterpay and provide your customers with a seamless payment experience. Afterpay provides extensive documentation and support resources to help you with the integration process. If you encounter any issues or have questions, you can reach out to their support team for assistance. By using the Afterpay Sandbox, you can ensure a smooth and successful integration and start offering your customers the convenience of buy now, pay later payments.